Hello Utubedishgagige, I hope you're all well and in good health. This is for tomorrow. I'm going to make a chicken curry the way my mom used to make. I've got 6 leg and thighs cut into 3 pieces each. That's how they look, beautiful. That's what I'm going to make. I'm going to show you how to marinate it. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of yogurt in there. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, which I've made it at home. I'm going to put 1 level teaspoon of salt if I need it, putting more. And half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. That's all it needs. I'm going to mix it and put it in the fridge. And I'll cook tomorrow and I'll show you how I do it. That's the way my mom used to make it, so I thought I'd make that way today. Okay, I marinated my chicken yesterday as I showed you. Now I've got 2 serving spoons of oil here and 2 serving spoons of fried onions. Don't need to do much with fried onions because they're already fried. I'm going to add my 3 tomatoes and 2 green chilies. My green chilies are very hot, they're small ones. You can put it according to your taste. See how quick this goes? Now I'm going to add my spices. I got a level teaspoon of dried methi, half teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, and 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Now you tell me what could be easier than this. Wow, smells beautiful, the methi and everything. There's a methi stick there, forgot to take it off. Add a bit of water. I'm going to let it cook for a while on a slow heat and put the lid on. Now I'm going to remove the lid. It's been about 4 to 5 minutes. I did check in between. But you can see my gravy is done. My masala is done beautifully. Now I'm going to add the chicken. I marinated it yesterday with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of yogurt. That goes in. When you marinate chicken or meat or anything, it gives a beautiful flavor because even you can taste the bones. And to cook bone chicken or meat on the bone gives more flavor because it releases its stock. Even if you're cooking boneless, if you add 1 bone in it, it makes a lot of difference. Now you can see the oils come through and it's very beautiful color, smells gorgeous. My friends asked me how I make it and I'm showing them this because this is the way my mom used to make with the yogurt. And these are my 2 potatoes. Now my chicken curry is done, the potatoes are ready. So you can see, I can break it with this. Now I'm going to add some garam masala. teaspoon will do. If you make freshly, garam masala is very beautiful, smells gorgeous. Coriander. Switch off the gas and it's ready.